Hey YouTube, what's up? Dr. T here, and welcome to the Altcoin Express and my hometown of St. Petersburg, Florida.
So, in this section, we will deal with all things pertaining to artificial intelligence, otherwise known as AI.
Welcome to SensorWorld. SensorWorld has now reached phase 1 and is loosely connected to GridWorld, which is a classic in artificial intelligence in relation to introducing the topic of reinforcement learning, which is found at Lecture 10 in the 2014 presentation of Computer Science 188 Berkeley, an introduction to artificial intelligence. It has goals and it has pits and it has an agent with sensors, and the code has now reached launch status, and so we will run it up and we'll talk about it a little bit. So it starts off not seeing anything and it will wander around, output its sensors, detect walls, put in walls and find the various locations where it will get rewards from, in the case of the green ones like this one here and the other one which is about to find somewhat later. There are also a variety of negative waypoints, notably like this one here where it'll get a negative score. This is first phase. It will move around completely autonomously, randomly, other than the fact that it will go upwards 60% of the time and downwards 40% of the time, because there are 2 goals below and there are 3 goals above. Currently it will put out its sensors every time it goes everywhere, because this is phase 1. When the next objective will be to actually get it to go around and not put out its sensors once it's actually detected a wall, and we'll just have it just when the agent wandering around and finding things out. And it's got one more spot to kind of find, and at this point in time we'll start looking to how to implement what is going to be the first phase of deep Q learning. Overall, it's a deep reinforcement learning algorithm I'm trying to build, but there are various elements within the reinforcement learning framework that you can implement different algorithms. So we will be first looking at DQ learning, and if this will just go down once, it's got a few more sites to go to yet, we'll see if it'll get there and show all the world. It's got a random movement function from the central position at the top and a random movement function from the one below. Will it go down? No, it's not being very cooperative right now, but it will go down eventually. And so there are 2 more positions that it has to find. Hopefully it'll find one of them right now. Can you be cooperative and go down? Please go down. Yeah, it's not going to be cooperative. So here it goes. It's taking its downward route. We're going to find the bottom pit, and it's got one more to discover, and then when it's done its complete cycle through the world and identified all of the state spaces in its current environment. You're going to go there? No. So work will now commence on the neural network. There it goes, it's reached its final goal. So work will start on the neural network, and we'll try and find out how I implement this, which is a new adventure for me. It's stepping up from having done an artificial neural network and reinforcement learning to combining the two to determine and put out the skills necessary for doing a deep reinforcement learning algorithm, and thence to other things. So here we are well launched and on our way.